The work really derives from, I think, a personal story, which is one of an understanding about yourself. My name is Raúl de Nieves. I'm an artist.
He has sort of come to prominence since being in the Whitney Biennial in 2017, has been working with not only fine art, but also in the dimensions of fashion. He's worked with houses such as Missoni and Hermes and Swarovski and Bulgari. And
The works are based around an icon, the Fool. I often relate to the Fool in the search of the journey.
the title is making direct reference to the Fool, who in Cartomancy, his number is 0. So he is like an ace in a deck of cards. He can fall anywhere at any time. He's almost sort of this figure of rebirth. He is the eternal figure who, although he may lead you to the precipice of death, it only leads to new life.
Because we're constantly always searching for new beginnings or following our own personal paths to understand where those beginnings might begin and if there's ever an end to them.
Well, I kind of think it's a great opportunity to be sort of curious about art. And with Raúl's work in particular, I think there's a lot of aspects of positivity and sort of different avenues that can be taken in learning sort of different approaches to spirituality and gratitude and beyond textiles and music. I think there are many different ways that the work can be approached, and we should all just take the time to not necessarily just think of this as leisure, but like an opportunity to educate yourselves and really learn about things that you otherwise don't have the time to.